college. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College.
SRM Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்
எஸ் SRM வள்ளியம்மை இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்
எஸ் SRM வள்ளியம்மை இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்
எஸ் SRM வள்ளியம்மை இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்
எஸ் SRM வள்ளியம்மை இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி. கல்லூரி என்பது கல்வி கற்க மட்டுமல்ல, போட்டிகள் நிறைந்த இன்றைய உலகை தன்னம்பிக்கையுடன் எதிர்கொள்ளவும், திறம்பட பணியாற்றி தனித்து வெல்லவும் உங்களை முழுமையாய் தயார்படுத்துவதே. அதை நாங்கள் சிறப்பாய் செய்கிறோம். 20 ஆண்டுகளாய்
எஸ் SRM வள்ளியம்மை இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College.
SRM வள்ளியம்மை Engineering College. We shape your future. உங்கள் எதிர்காலத்தை தீர்மானிப்பது நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் கல்லூரி.
இன்னும் ஒருத்தர் வராங்க. இல்ல அவங்க இன்வைட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தானே போனோம்.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இன்க்ளூட் சிஸ்டம் கூட இல்லை.
யார் ஹோஸ்ட் யாரு இல்ல ஹோஸ்ட் யார் ஹோஸ்ட்
Sir, one second, sir. We'll start, sir. 1 second, sir.
ஹலோ
Sir, 1 second, sir. We'll wait for some more minutes, sir. Students has to join, sir. Just few minutes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Can I open my PPT?
This is Ilango, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. PPT on the portal, I'm on Ilango, sir.
No, first page only. That is first slide only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
You already click பண்ணிடுவா. Share page click பண்ணு. இது என்ன? இது லாஸ்ட். ஹலோ பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஓகே கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணுறேன்.
So we are just waiting for the students to join, sir. So we'll start another 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Before start, you just give me a call, or you just tell me.
Yes, sir, yes.
Start means I am ready to start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll start, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very happy to welcome you all to the afternoon session. Now I call upon, we'll begin the session with the Dr. Ilago, Professor Head, Department of Agricultural Engineering, who will provide an insight about agricultural engineering.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. You can start, sir.
Ma'am, my PPT is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
Okay. Even my voice also audible, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, students, very good afternoon, one and all present here. First of all, I welcome all the young budding engineers in the Department of Agriculture. So actually, the Agriculture Department comes under the Civil Engineering Department. It's a faculty of Civil Engineering. I'm very proud to announce, especially the agriculture is our backbone of India. Even the most of the employment opportunities and then the employment facilities, almost more than 60% they are providing, that is agriculture area providing. And also nowadays it's booming in our field, that is agriculture field. So in this small introduction about in this agriculture, so I will start with my presentations. Maybe another 15 minutes. I'm going to briefly elaborate our department facilities, our department faculties, our department infrastructures, and then what is scope, both employment opportunities and other things. So I will discuss. I hope this particular engineering field, mostly it's an enjoyable one, and also the others also they will like. So this is agriculture department profile. So actually the agriculture department started last year, that is year 2019. It comes already, I told you, it comes under the faculty of civil engineering. Even all the places, even if you take it, the same course is there in IIT Kharagpur also, even Anna University, and then some NID is also there. So in all the places, this course will be comes under the faculty of civil engineering. Before I'm going to depth in this particular department, first student understand what is BSc Agriculture and BE Agriculture. The difference they should know, because the student should not confused whether this course will be good or that course will be good. Okay. So the BSc Agriculture is it is directly related to the plant, and also they covered other animal science, poultry and other things. Whereas what you are chosen, the BE Agriculture Engineering, this is purely application oriented one. That thing is how we are going to increase the productivity, even without entering the field. It means no need to go to the field, agriculture field. Even in your home itself, you can stay and then you can proceed your agricultural activities. Okay. The next one is you are going to focus on water quantity. Even very less quantity of water, how we are going to cultivate. Especially even a severe drought will be obtained or drought will be happen. How we are going to overcome this type of drop. That is a drought or the other things. So in this way, you are going to focus this particular subject. So the student intake will be 60 at present. Student that is there in second years, they are going to do some experiments in the lab because due to the pandemic situations, last semester they are not able to do the lab. So if government permit all the students to enter the college means definitely they will go to site and then they will proceed the lab and other things. The next one is our department, that is agriculture department. We have close interaction with the TNAU, that is Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, for attending any conferences and then for in-plant training, IPT. Okay, so this type of things, even if you want to visit any particular lab and other things, we will arrange TNAU, that is Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. The next one is CARD. So this is the Center for Agriculture and Rural Development. So this is comes under the that is central government things, and then the NERI, that is National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. So these three organizations we are going to help, and also we are going to send the student in these particular places. Especially for example, take it as Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. So I think the student chosen agriculture in our college, that is SRMVEC Engineering College, they having a good opportunity to interact with the TNAU. Because why I am saying is just opposite to our college, one of our agricultural unit will be there. That is TNAU unit will be there. Maybe student next time if you are entering our campus, just observe that just adjacent to Potteri railway station. Okay, just adjacent to Potteri railway station, a big field you can see that. That is one unit of agriculture unit. So very frequently our faculty members, they are interacting with the that agriculture faculty members, and also they are going to visit their lab, and also if any conferences or any short-term training programs will be conducted, we will mutually exchange this one. So in these things, maybe your student, we will send the in-plant training in the just opposite to our college. That is one of the agriculture unit, that is Tamil Nadu government. The next one is the central government, they are announcing so many schemes, okay, under rural development. So here, what is the role in agriculture thing? Okay, so this generally this type of activities will be happen Bangalore and Haryana. Even we also directly link with them, and also the NERI, that is National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. So this one of the institute, they are located even in Chennai. There the advanced laboratories will be there. So student, they are doing any projects, we will send them that particular places, NERI. So these are the opportunities we are already created. Only thing is you people, that is student, you people, you come and use it. Okay. So this is our department profile. Department will be headed by myself. So my name is Dr. D. Ilango, professor and head. The another side, that is the group of our faculty members will be there. So they are strengthened in our department. Many faculty members, they are very closely interact with what I suggested, that is TNAU, CORD, and NERI. So through these faculty members only, the student, you people are going to visit that particular lab and then IPT and other things. The next, I proudly say that in our department, 3 faculty members, PhD holders will be there. So under the guidance, we are going to make it as good shape to you. Apart from 3 faculty members, there are 4 faculty members, they are pursuing their PhD. Okay. Even one faculty, they have submitted the thesis also. Okay. So day by day, our department will be strengthened. That is, the PhD holders will be increased, and all other faculty members having the MTech graduations with different specialization. So this is the application side. What is the application? First one is the organic farming and productivity. That is how we are going to concentrate the organic farming and then increase the productivity. Normally, if you are taking it as any organic farming, the yield will be reduced in compared to the natural, that is the normal farming. Because the main reason is in normal farming, they use it for chemical fertilizer, whereas in organic farming, it's not like that. So even though by using the latest technology, how we are going to increase the yield. Okay, so that thing is one of the applications. And then studying improved methods of water capture. That is initially I told you, even the drought season also how we are going to cultivate. So with the minimum quantity of water, how we are going to reduce the transportation. Normally it's called as evapotranspirations. That is the water will be transport through the root, stem and then leaf. Okay, this system is called as evapotranspiration. So anyway, these things will be are going to study in third year. Okay, so these evapotranspirations, how we are going to reduce. So you are going to concentrate supply water only in the root system by drop, and also reduce the evaporations with the help. That is normally what happens. The sunlight directly penetrate the soil and then that is it absorbing the water. So this absorption will be you are going to reduce. So you are going to strengthen the root and also you are going to use some natural fertilizer and then you are increasing the water holding capacity. It means the root water holding capacity will be increased. So this technology will be you are going to study in third unit. So increasing our understanding of rotation effects of way to design the system, maximize the use of biological incropping system. So that is understanding of rotation effects. Okay, that is once in 3 months or once in 6 months or once in every year. So they are going to change the crops. So what is the system they are followed? How we are going, because you can't blindly change the crops. You can't blindly rotate the crops. So there are certain systems will be there, that design procedures will be there. So that is you are going to study. Understanding the regional pest dynamics. Suppose if you are go for controlling the pest, if you go for pesticides means, so all the pesticides you can't use in all the places. There are so many factors you are going to consider. That is the climatic conditions, one of the important things. Okay, summertime you can use one type of pesticides, rainy season like that. So these things how you are going to analyze. Okay, and then determining the alternate measures of success in agriculture. So this is also you are going to study how we are going to, that is including the income and efficient resource use. That is how to increase the income. So nowadays what they said is farmer means that is very less income group will be there. So their survival is one of the problems, and also monsoon. So there are so many factors will be there. So finally what they are concluded is, if you anybody chosen the agriculture area, that is agriculture, so there will be no income. Okay, but that is not like that. That is not true. There are so many systems and technologies will be there. For example, I will quote few things. For example, you take it as insurance. There are different types of term insurance will be there. Even drought or flood will be happens, nothing you are going to lose. Even nowadays, the government recently they announced, that is 1 month back. So initially what happens, the farmers, once the production will be over, that is during the harvesting time, so the farmers will be they are charging the vendor and other things. But now the trend will be, scenario will be totally, it will be changed. So that vendors will be, they come to the farmers. So before the yield will be obtained, before the harvesting will be obtained, so the vendors will be approaching the farmers. There itself they are fixing the rate. So that farmer will be, they are going to fix the rate. Okay, even yesterday many of us see in the news that is because of the huge production of a tomato, they are not able to sell even 1 rupee per kg. So they are going to waste it. So this type of things will be, you can narrate. So that's what generally in public side what happens, if anybody is adapt for agriculture, there will be no income. So the person will be go for poverty line like that. But now the scenario will be changed. It's not like that. So these are the various opportunities available in agriculture engineers. That is agriculture inspector, agriculture specialist, researcher, agronomist, soil scientist, agricultural crop engineers, quality assurance officer, farm manager, field development officer. That is agriculture inspector means they are bank side or government side, they are frequently they are inspect. Suppose if any insects problem or anything will be, he will be responsible. So agriculture specialist means there are various specialization area will be there. For example, take it as the water. Okay, even the very limited quantity, how we are going to effectively do the agriculture. So that is one of his specialists will be there. There one more person, that is soil specialist. So he knew that this particular type of soil, only the particular type of plants only survive. So these are the various specialists will be there, researcher. So for example, suppose if you want to increase the production, how we are going to do for R&D and other work, that is to interact with seeds and other things. Okay, and then the agronomist, soil scientist, agricultural crop engineers, quality assurance officer. That is, once the product will be after harvesting, they are going to categorize whether it will be class 1, class 2, class 3, like that. So based on that, you can fix the rate. Okay, so that is the duty of quality assurance officer, farm manager. So nowadays the Reliance, they are focusing this particular field, that is farm manager, and then field development officer. Most of the sugarcane industries and then the agriculture, that is the government sectors, so many persons will be there. So these are the different opportunities available in the agriculture side. And also in India, that is the agriculture engineer. There are so many demand will be there. So that is also you can keep in mind. Normally the curriculum will be how they are going to frame this. First year it will be common. Second year that is also equal to civil engineering side. What the civil engineering students are going to study, the same thing will be touch upon agriculture engineering side. Afterwards the things will be changed. So here I am going to tell some of the laboratory details. So this is one of the lab. Student as per curriculum, the student they are going to do. That is crop husbandry lab. So that is this particular lab will be divided into 4 segments. So each segment, each cell will be given to the group of students. They are going to do the practicals and other things. It means initially they are going to sowing the seeds, and then they will calculate the measurement, that is water measurement, and also the height, everything. And finally they are going to tell how the crop yield will be achieved, and finally how they are going to convert the marketing side. So this is the entire thing. So normally even if you do this type of lab, you people are enjoying. It's not like that the other things like equipment reading, like lively you can do this type of one. So this is the same lab. So before this field will be handed over to the student. Okay, before handed over to student, we'll make it as the particular land will be ready for agriculture things. That is the sowing and other things. You see that normally this field will be, you can see that nearby our lab. That is, once if you are entering the college campus, near the gate, just right side, this lab will be there. Okay, we are not simply handed over to the student. We'll make it as we are going to use the tractors, and then make it as that particular land will be ready for agriculture purpose and other things. So you see that this is the photographs shown in last month, and also even one part of the crop husbandry lab, our irrigation process will be started. That is the lady's finger, tomato. So this type of small type of vegetables will be, we can see that is corner of the field. Okay, so actually the entire field will be handed over to the fourth semester student. So they'll do the practice, and then they show the yield and other things. So the chosen of crop, chosen of vegetables, everything will be choice by the student. We are not enforcing any particular experiment and any type of thing. Even the student wish to implement any new things, we are encouraging that type of ideas and innovation and other things. So this is even we are focusing apart from the curriculum also. Every semester as per curriculum we are focusing, and then the last 1 week we are going to focus the beyond curriculum. It means beyond the syllabus. Okay, that is content beyond the syllabus. So even once if you are entering the college classrooms, all the faculty members, they will tell each and every subject we will teach beyond the curriculum. So this is another thing, that is a nursery. So previous one is what you are seeing is crop and husbandry lab. This is nursery. A small nursery will be created. This is just opposite to your department. That is first year block. Okay. So here in this nursery, we are that is the plant and trees, other things will be we are focusing, and also even the curtains, flowers, this type of seeds will be put, and then we are focusing only that type of things. Even these things will be even after the student activities will be there. Even the type of plant and other things we can sell it at reasonable price. So the revenue also we can generate during the study itself. So this is another lab, surveying and leveling lab. This is you are going to do in second year. Even any type of land. Okay, so that is challenge of engineers, isn't it? Even the worst land will be given to you. You are make it as that land will be useful land. So how it is possible? So first thing is we can make it a surface will be smooth and then flat surface. How it is possible? With the help of the surveying and leveling. It is not only it is used in agriculture. This is also it is applicable or used in the civil engineering side also. Okay, that is even previously I show you on crop husbandry lab. They are divided into 4 segments. Okay, even the area will be very huge. Okay, so that type of segments will be you are going to divide with the help of this type of instrument only. And also initially I told you even the drought period also you are going to reduce the water. So if you are going to reduce the water content, so you make it as or make sure that the surface will be smooth, the surface will be flat. Otherwise even the small gradient will be there. What happens? All the water will be stagnated in one side. In one part of the land the water will be not reached. So before you start the agriculture things, so these are the check you are going to check. So that type of things will be you are going to study in the surveying and the leveling lab. So this is a fluid mechanics lab. So here the fluid properties we are going to teach. Normally here we are going to touch upon reservoir and then river and also canals. So these things will be are going to study in this one. You are going to study the flow pattern. Okay, how the flow pattern will be changed, how the flow pattern will be varied. So these things will be are going to study it in this particular lab. So this is the strength of materials lab. Here you are going to check the strength parameters of the, for example, take it as any rock, or if any block will be obtained. So these are rock or block, these things will be you are going to check. That is strength. You are going to check all the strength specimen, entire things in this particular lab. So this is soil science lab. So in the soil science lab, you are going to check soil fertile value, whether the what type of crop will be obtained this particular lab, and then the nature of the soil, soil characteristics, soil pores, voids ratio, because these are the important one, voids ratio, pores. Then only you can calculate the percolation of the water. So normally the water quantity will be, how we are going to estimate means with the help of the pores and percolation. So these things will be are going to study in this particular lab. So finally this project expo, that is every year we are going to conduct the project competition among the student, especially the final year student. They are going to do the project in 1 year. In the month of February or March, we are conducting like project expo in all the department. So the in all the department, all the students they are going to display the project. So one expert team will be, they will come and visit the concerned projects. The student they are going to demonstrate the concerned projects, and finally they are going to select the expert team will be to select the best project. So this best project will be awarded every year. So here one of the examples in our department, in civil department, how they are going to conduct the project expo. So this is my presentation. So before I'm going to conclude my presentations, I'm going to quote with one poet that is called as Varapu Uyara. So you know who quoted this one? Varapu Uyara. So that is இது வந்து ஔவையார் சொன்னது. Mostly Tamil medium மட்டும் even all the students they knew that. வரப்பு உயர. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு வேர்டிங்ஸாக இருக்கும், வரப்பு உயர அப்படின்ட்டு. பட் இட்ஸ் ஸ்டில் லாட் ஆஃப் மீனிங். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், வரப்பு உயரமாக இருந்ததுனாக்கா தண்ணியுடைய ஹைட்டு இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். அப்போ தண்ணி, ஏன்னா வாட்டருடைய குவான்டிட்டி ஃப்ளோ ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும். அப்போ வாட்டருடைய ஃப்ளோ ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னாக்கா ஃபீல்டில் போய் இரிகேஷன் நிறைய பண்ண முடியும், நிறைய அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் பண்ண முடியும். அது மூலயமா ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். அதுதான் வந்து நெல் உயரன்னு வாங்க. வரப்பு உயர நீர் உயரும், நீர் உயர நெல் உயரும். அப்போ நெல் உயர்ந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? யாருக்கும் பசி பட்டினி இருக்காது இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி இன்கம் வந்து நிறைய கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, அதுதான் வந்து குடி உயரம் நாங்கள். ஸோ குடி உயர்ந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? கோல் உயரம். கோல் உயரம்ன்றது மன்னர், அதாச்சும் ஆட்சி அதிகாரம் எல்லாமே வந்து பீஸ்ஃபுல்லாக போகும். அதுதான் ஔவையார் வந்து ஒரே லைனில் சொல்லிட்டாங்க, வரப்பு உயர அப்படின்ட்டுன்னு. இது வந்து ஒரு டிபேட், நல்ல டிபேட்டில் இந்த வார்த்தையை அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க. நான் அதை இப்போ சொல்ல விரும்பலை, மேபி நீங்கள் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் தான் சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ வரப்பு உயர நீர் உயரும், நீர் உயர நெல் உயரும், நெல் உயர குடி உயரும், குடி உயர கோல் உயரும். ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து அதனுடைய மீனிங். இது ஒன் ஆஃப் தி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் வேர்ட். ஏன்னா ஈவன் திருக்குறள் கூட நிறைய இருக்கு, பட் இது வந்து ஒரு சில பேருக்கு மட்டும்தான் தெரியும். ஸோ அதனால் இதை கோட் பண்ணி ஐ கன்க்ளூட் மை ப்ரெசன்டேஷன். ஸோ ஐ வெல்கம் யூ ஆல், especially the agriculture engineering students, those who are chosen this field. And also our department, we are focusing in all the field. Even you are comes under the faculty of civil engineering. You don't worry, because you are still in second year. என்ன பண்ணுறது ஏது பண்ணுறதுன்னா நீங்கள் யாரும் டபுள் மைண்டில் இருக்க வேண்டாம். ஸோ டுமாரோ தி சேம் டைம் 2 o'clock my another presentation is there, civil engineering side. ஓகே, ஸோ சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் நாங்கள் என்னென்ன அச்சீவ் பண்ணுன்றத நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கனாலுமே டெஃபினெட்லி வில் கெட் தி ஹோப். ஓகே, ஸோ அதை விட பெஸ்ட்டாக நாங்கள் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் பண்ணுவோம். பிகாஸ் மார்னிங் பிரின்சிபல் கோட் பண்ணியிருப்பார், அவர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ரிசீவ் தி அவார்ட் ஃப்ரம் கவர்னர். எஸ், சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒன்லி தே ரிசீவிங் தி அவார்ட். ஒரு தடவை இல்லை, 2 times. அதே மாதிரி சொல்லியிருப்பார், ஐஏஎஸ் ஐபிஎஸ் அசிஸ்டன்ட் இன்ஜினியர். எஸ், வி ஆர் அச்சீவ் இட். எங்கள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒருத்தவங்க இன்னைக்கு கன்னியாகுமரியில் டெப்டி கலெக்டராக இருக்கிறாங்க, ஐஏஎஸ். அதே மாதிரி மிலிட்ரியில் வந்து ரேங்க் 1, ஆல் இண்டியா ரேங்க் 1 கேப்டனாக இருக்காங்க. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில இதுனாக்கா நாளைக்கு நான் சொல்கிறேன். அதனால் நம்ம தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு செட்டு. நம்மளை என்ன எப்படி இப்போ ஃபியூச்சர் இருக்குமோ அந்த மாதிரி கவலையப்படாதீங்க, டோன்ட் வரி. ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் இஃப் யூ ஆர் கம் டு தி 4th year, பிகாஸ் வி ஆர் ட்ரெயின்ட் ஃப்ரம் செகண்ட் இயர் இட் செல்ஃப், வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ட்ரெயின்ட். ஓகே, வி ஆர் ட்ரெயின் தம். ஸோ உங்களுக்கே ஹோப் இல்லைனாலும் நீங்களே எழுதி வச்சுக்கிங்க, டெஃபினெட்லி யூ வில் பி இன் பெட்டர் கேரியர். அதனுடைய ப்ரூஃபு எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் எல்லாமே நாளைக்கு சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங் சொல்லும்போது எங்களுடைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வந்து எப்படி அச்சீவ் பண்ணியிருக்கான்றதை நான் கோட் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி யூ வில் பி பெனிஃபிட்டட். ஓகே, ஸோ டுமாரோ டோன்ட் மிஸ் மை another presentations. So thank you one and all, thank you all the students, and also I thank all the parents. You are choosing SRMVEC Engineering College. So even this type of, actually this time we are conducting online. Usually what we are going to do is, in first day we are going to send all the students along with the parent in all the labs, not only in concerned department, in all the lab they will be visited, so they will get good hopes. So maybe after the pandemic situations will be over, so you people, that is the parents, you come and see what are the facilities available in our college. So you advise them your word, make use the entire things. ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்கிறோம் பாருங்க, நம்ம ஒரு ஹோட்டல் போகிறோன்னு வச்சுங்க, ஹோட்டலில் எல்லாமே இருக்கும். ஒரு பஃபேல போகிறோனுங்க, எல்லாமே இருக்கும். பட் எதுவுமே வந்து உங்கள் கையில் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. நீங்கள் தான் போய் ஒன்று ஒன்றா சூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு உங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவையோ அதை எடுத்துகிட்டு வரணும். ஸோ இங்கே அதே மாதிரிங்க எல்லா ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸும் இருக்குது. ஓகே, யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு சூஸ் தி ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ், யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு யூட்டிலைஸ். அந்த அளவுக்கு இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் இருக்குது இங்கே. ஸோ அதை நீங்கள் ப்ராப்பராக யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாக்கா டெஃபினெட்லி யுவர் வார்ட் வில் பி பிகம் ஒன் அமங் தி டாப் மோஸ்ட் பர்சன் இன் your family, not only in your family and also in our nations. So thank you for listening my presentations. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the elaborate insight into the agriculture engineering department, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we have Dr. Balamurugan, librarian, who have the updates to facilitate facilities in the college library.
எங்க சொல்றாரு? Yes, yes, sir.
இதுதான் ஆமா ஆமா மேடம் அது நம்ம இதுல கிரெடிட் வரும் மேடம் 3 lakhs per month
Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Balamurugan, librarian, having 18 years experience in our library field and completed 13 years experience in this institution. I wish to give you all brief outline about our central library. I wish to give you all a brief outline about our central library. Our central library is functioning on the first and second floor of the new block with a 3-ton seating capacity. In first floor, we have circulation section, stock section, xerox and digital library. An audio visual hall, reference section are located in second floor. This is for the entrance of the library. Following library staff will help you locate the books, checking the availability of books. Library is open for all users from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. on all working days. During Saturday, library is open from 8:15 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. 49,749 volume with 16,206 titles are available in our library. Students, some rules of regulation followed by our central library. Silence should be maintained. ஒவ்வொரு தடவை நீங்க லைப்ரரிக்கு வரும்போது அமைதி காத்து ஒத்துழைக்கணும். Your ID will enter in the library. லைப்ரரிக்கு வரும்போதெல்லாம் நீங்க வந்து ஐடி கார்டு போட்டு வரணும். ப்ராப்பர் ட்ரெஸ் கோடில் வரணும். செல்போன் ஆர் நாட் அலௌட் இன்சைட் த லைப்ரரி. பர்சனல் பிளாங்கிங் ஆர் நாட் அலௌட். உங்களுடைய ஓன் திங்ஸ் எதையும் நாங்கள் அலோவ் பண்ண மாட்டோம் லைப்ரரியில். borrowers will be responsible for any loss on return of the books. நீங்கள் புக்கை தொலைஞ்சாலோ இல்லை உங்கள் புக்கு எங்கேயும் மிஸ்பிளேஸ் பண்ணாலோ அதுக்கு நீங்கள் தான் பொறுப்பேற்பீங்க. ஸோ அதை கவனமாக நீங்கள் புக்கை வந்து வச்சுக்கணும். ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் நீங்கள் லைப்ரரிக்குள்ள என்ட்ரு ஆகும்போது அந்த கேரக்டரிஸ்ட் இருக்கும். Sign the characteristic will enter in the library and also deposit your personal plan to security at the back deposit counter near the entrance of the library. So, entrance library entrance அருகிலேயே பேக் டெபாசிட் கவுண்டர் இருக்கும். அங்கே நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய திங்ஸ் அங்கே கொடுத்துட்டு டோக்கன் வாங்கிட்டு நீங்கள் லைப்ரரிக்குள்ள என்டர் பண்ணலாம். You should show your ID card for borrowing or renewal of the books. These are the various sections of the library: circulation section, technical processing section, e-resource and digital library, audio-visual section, reprography and binding section, fair quality project report section, reference section. Technical section பார்க்கும்போது new book processing section வந்து அதில் வந்துடும். Circulation வந்து you need to enter the issue, renewal, register for the following books. Digital library, we have separate the digital library with 34 system to access the e-resources, download the e-paper, etc. நீங்கள் டிஜிட்டல் லைப்ரரியில் வந்து உங்கள் ப்ராசஸ், அதாவது தீசிஸ் சம்மந்தம், ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரிப்போர்ட் சம்மந்தமாகவோ உங்கள் ஆடியோ உங்கள் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட் சம்மந்தமாக என்பிடிஎல் வீடியோ ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு அது வந்து டிஜிட்டல் லைஃப் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஃபுல் இன்டர்நெட் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ண முடியும், ஃபுல்லாக இன்டர்நெட் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி நாங்கள் இது பண்ணியிருக்கோம். தென் ஆடியோ விஷுவல் ஹால். Audio visual hall is available in second floor. Live telecast program are conducted after college hours from the duration of 1 hour. அப்போ வந்து மோட்டிவேஷனல் வீடியோ சப்ஜெக்ட் ரிலேட்டட் வீடியோஸ் பண்ணி டெலிகாஸ்ட் பண்ணுவோம். அதில் நீங்கள் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஆஃப்டர் காலேஜ் அவர் முடிஞ்ச பிறகு நீங்கள் நாங்கள் வீடியோ இது பண்ணுவோம். அது மாதிரி லைவ் டெலிகாஸ்ட்டை வந்து ஆக்சஸ் அங்கே வந்து நம்ம லைவ் டெலிகாஸ்ட்டும் நாங்கள் இது பண்ணுவோம். அதை நீங்கள் வந்து பார்த்துக்கலாம். தென் ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரிப்போர்ட் உங்கள் ப்ரீவியஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு உங்கள் ஜீனியர்ஸ் பண்ண ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரிப்போர்ட்ஸுக்கு உங்களுக்கு வந்து அது மேலே செகண்ட் ஃப்ளோரில் வச்சுருக்கோம். அங்கே நீங்கள் அதை ரெஃபரன்ஸ்க்கு எடுத்துக்கலாம். நீங்கள் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணுற போது அது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் என்ட்ரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த லைப்ரரி. ரைட் சைட் OPAC. OPAC மீன்ஸ் ஆன்லைன் பப்ளிக் ஆக்சஸ் கேட்டலாக். கேட்டலாக் இஸ் லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் டாக்குமெண்ட். லைப்ரரிக்குள்ள என்னென்ன டாக்குமெண்ட் இருக்கிறத நம்ம எல்லா இடத்துலையும் தேட முடியாது. அதுக்காக இந்த OPAC என்ற ஒரு சிஸ்டத்தை நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறோம். இந்த OPAC என்னென்ன விதத்தில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோன்னா, உள்ள என்னென்ன புக் இருக்கு, ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரிப்போர்ட்டு, அதர் தென் பேக் வால்யூம்ஸ் இஷ்யூஸ்லாம் இந்த சிஸ்டத்து மூலம் நம்ம உள்ள என்னென்ன டாக்குமெண்ட் இருக்கிறத நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் என்ஜினியரிங் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் கந்தசாமி புக்கு நமக்கு வேணும்னு நினச்சோம்னா, அந்த கந்தசாமின்ற ஆதரை நீங்கள் டைப் பண்ணால் கந்தசாமி எழுதின புக்கு கிடைக்கும். அது பக்கத்தில் கிளிக் பண்ணி அவைலபிலிட்டியா இருக்கா இல்லையான்றதை செக் அவுட்னா சம்படி டேக்கன் தட் புக்கு அவைலபிள்னா புக் அவைலபிள் இந்த லைப்ரரி. ஸோ உங்கள் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் நீங்கள் புக்குடைய ஸ்டேட்டஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த OPAC யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணணும். ஏர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் UG 4 கார்ட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் தருவோம். அதில் வந்து 4 புக் எலிஜிபிள் ஃபார் டேக்கன் த புக் ஃப்ரம் லைப்ரரி. அதோட டியூரேஷன் வந்து 14 days. 14 days பிறகு உங்களுக்கு தேவைப்படுற போது அந்த புக்கை நீங்கள் லைப்ரரியில் வந்து ரெனியூவல் லிஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கும், அதில் என்ட்ரி பண்ணிட்டு திரும்ப நீங்கள் அங்கே எடுத்துகிட்டு போயிடலாம். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எப்போ தேவைப்படுதோ அப்போ நீங்கள் ரெனியூவல் லிஸ்ட்டில் எழுதிட்டு லைப்ரரியில் கொடுத்து பழையபடிக்கும் இஷ்யூ வாங்கிட்டு இது பண்ணிடலாம். அதுபோல் ஃபாஸ்ட் லேர்னருக்கு அடிஷ்னலாக 2 கார்ட்ஸ் தர்றோம். ஒவ்வொரு டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லேயும் ஒவ்வொரு இயருக்கும் அடிஷ்னலாக 2 கார்ட்ஸ் இஷ்யூ பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அவங்க ரேங்கை பொறுத்து நாங்கள் அடிஷ்னலாக 2 கார்ட்ஸ் 5 members per year. This is for the circulation section. நீங்க டிலே பண்ணி புக் ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஃபைன் இஸ் கலெக்டட் ஃபார் டே வைஸ். லைப்ரரி ஹோல்டிங் நம்பர் ஆஃப் புக்ஸ் 49,749, நம்பர் ஆஃப் டைட்டில்ஸ் 16,206, நேஷனல் ஜேர்னல்ஸ் printed journals available in first floor, around 6 lakhs per year spent for the printed journal. Online journals means e-journals, 13,207 127 journals every year renewal for the online journal. Our management spent for 16 lakhs per year. Then project report, number of CDs available in digital library, number of e-book available in our library. Some students like for soft copy, so you ask me, I arrange it for the e-book also. So student நீங்கள் சாஃப்ட் காப்பியில் தான் படிக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது, சாஃப்ட் காப்பிலையும் புக் அவைலபிள் இருக்கு. கிட்டத்தட்ட நான் ஒரு 80% புக்ஸ் வந்து நான் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். ஸோ நீங்கள் உங்களுக்கு சாஃப்ட் காப்பி இருந்தாலும் நான் உங்களுக்கு ரிசோர்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிடுவேன். டைட்டில் வால்யூம்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வைஸ் பிரேக்கப் இருக்கு. இதில் உங்களுக்கு உங்கள் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல எவ்வளோ புக் இருக்குன்ற ஹோல்டிங் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். ஓன் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் அஸ் பர் சப்ஜெக்ட் வைஸ் and department wise we arrange it for the easily you access the book, taken the book from the library, access to e-journals, e-books. The URL address for the IEEE elsewhere JCAT Science and Technology. Fifth one is, then it is very important one, it is a resource sharing network, interlibrary loan. சப்போஸ் நம்ம லைப்ரரியில் ஒரு புக்கு இல்லைன்ற போது அந்த புக்கை வெளியில் வந்து நம்ம அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் இதில் வந்து இன்னைக்கு நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் வந்து 1000 காலேஜ் வந்து மெம்பராக இருக்காங்க டெல்நெட்டில். இந்தியாவில் த்ரூஅவுட் இந்தியாவில் ஃபுல்லாக கிட்டத்தட்ட 4000 மெம்பர்ஸ் இந்த டெல்நெட்டில் இருக்காங்க. இப்போ நம்ம புக்கு சர்ச் பண்ற போது இந்த புக்கு நம்மகிட்ட இல்லைன்ற போது இந்த டெல்நெட்ல தேடுற போது அது டெல்லியில இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம அதை வர வச்சு கொண்டு கொடுக்க முடியும். ஸோ அதை நீங்க எனக்கு கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணா நான் உங்களுக்கு அதை அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி கொடுப்பேன். ஸோ அதனால புக்கு கிடைக்காது, புக்கு படிக்கிறதுக்கு சோர்சஸ் இல்லைன்றதை நம்ம வந்து ஒரி பண்ணவே தேவையில்லை. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் டெல்நெட் என்பிடிஎல். இங்கே லைப்ரரியில் 3 TB கெப்பாசிட்டியோட ஹார்ட் டிஸ்கில் என்பிடிஎல் வீடியோஸ் இருக்கு. அதை நீங்க ஐபி அட்ரஸ் மூலம் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் த டிஜிட்டல் லைப்ரரி. டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வைஸ் ஆன்லைன் ஜேர்னல்ஸ். டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வைஸ் பிரிண்டட் ஜேர்னல்ஸ். எஸ்சிஎஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு 3 month டியூரேஷன்ல 3 books கொடுக்குறோம். அவங்களோட கம்யூனிட்டி சர்டிஃபிகேட்டை சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த புக்ஸை நீங்க ரிசீவ் த புக். ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் மாடல் கொஸ்டின்ஸை அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வைஸ். அதை நீங்க யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு ஜெராக்ஸ் ஏதாவது ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அதுல ஒரு பேஜுக்கு ₹1 கலெக்டட் ஃபார் லைப்ரரி. This is for our institutional membership for Anna University, Maliknet, and SRM University and Telnet. Thank you, students. ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு கிளியரன்ஸ் எதாவது கிடைக்கணும்னா ஏதாவது தேவையான என்னை வந்து பாருங்க. உங்களுக்கு தேவையான கோர்சஸ் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி கொடுப்போம். கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 5 members லைப்ரரியில் ஒர்க் பண்றோம். உங்களுக்கு தேவையான மெட்டீரியல், ப்ராஜெக்ட் எப்படி எழுதணும், ப்ராஜெக்டுக்கான தேவையான அடுத்து நீங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட் வெளியில கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ப்ரொசீடிங்ஸ்க்கு அட்டென்ட் பண்றதுக்கு எப்படி பேப்பர் அசைன் பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க சேனல்ஸ்க்கு ரீட் பண்ணாத வழியே மற்றபடி நீங்க வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கீங்க. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that virtual tour of the library. May I now call upon Dr. M. Anbutarian, Associate Professor, to give us a briefing about the online courses available.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon to you all. Hello, ma'am. Can I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
கேக்குது sir. Audible, sir.
Audible, sir.
Yes. Now I'm going to share my PPT, ma'am. Then I'm going to start. Yeah. Good afternoon to you all. I am Dr. Anbutarian, the Department of Physics, Associate Professor. I also in charge for the NPTEL single point of contact. In addition to the NPTEL, I am the library coordinator. I'm audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Yes. Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
Sir. Yes.
Library coordinator and also management representative for ISO certificate of our organization. And first of all, I thank you all the students and parents for choosing our college, SRMVEC Engineering College. I am one of the senior most persons in this college. Starting onwards, I will be here. So thank you one and all present here. I'm going to talk about for this section one of the important recent development, recent digital revolution is online courses. What are the courses are available? What is our role, our Valliyamai Engineering College so far? What are the achievement related to this online courses? And what is the request? I request to all the first year students, your contribution is more in this regard. Definitely we will achieve another additional achievement based on performance for these 4 years. Thank you, Anandal. I'm going to start my presentation. Actually, the government of India decided to start one common platform for MOOC courses, massive open online courses. That is, they are going to design the Ministry of Education, Government of India designed Swayam courses. That is, Swayam is a common platform for online courses. So they designed for the achieve the principle of 3 important words. One is the access, equity, and quality. That is easy accessibility of the students, and without any partiality, the education to all, and for this equity, equal education to all the students and faculty members, and they maintain the quality. So based on this point of view, education policy, they are going to frame the objective to effort to take best teaching learning sources to all the students. For this, they frame the common platform that is called the Swayam. And these digital content are prepared by experienced faculty members by way of a video lecture and the preparation of notes, and then conducting the tests, and finally the discussion forum interaction between the students and faculty members. So they identified some of the premier institutes and frame the videos, lectures, and then delivered to the students. By this process, by means of national coordinators have been appointed. So for this, 9 national coordinators, starting from AICTE for preparing the lectures. Their main concentration on the students' self-motivation, self-interest. They are going to prepare that type of courses, and international courses are also considered by AICTE. And then another one is NPTEL. So our college is a NPTEL local chapter. I am also more focusing on this NPTEL because I am the NPTEL coordinator for our college. So more information related to NPTEL for this session. And national program on technology enhanced learning for engineering, particularly these courses designed for engineering discipline. And in addition to this, UGC, NCERT for particularly for school, NIOS again for school education, and CEC, IGNO, IAMB particularly for management studies, and NITTR. This is exclusively for teacher training program. So all these coordinators are assigned by the government and to prepare the video lecture, and these video lectures are easily available to all the students and faculty with free of cost. If you want to get the certification, then you have to pay for the minimum fee for the certification, and you may be after final examination you may be passed, then you are awarded for the degree. So actually this is the Swayam portal, one single portal for all open online courses, swayam.government.in. For this, all the students, first you create a Gmail, so you can have access the Gmail facilities, and then if you opening the Gmail, then you can start opening the swayam.government.in. So Gmail is a minimum requirement. After opening the Gmail and you open swayam.government.in, large number of informations are available, and then you click the sign in. So you enter the data, your college, your roll number. Our college is a NPTEL local chapter. These points are coming under this one of the part, and you mentioned Valliyamai Engineering College, SRM Valliyamai Engineering College is having the NPTEL local chapter. All this information, your age, your information, and then you submit. So you may be recorded. The information may be recorded, right? So then you search all the courses. In all courses are displayed in this single portal, and based on this portal, there is 9 different coordinators. They are separately, they are going to conduct the courses. So our concentration on NPTEL courses. These NPTEL courses are started initially starting the budget in the 1999. After the approval of the budget, they are going to start in the year 2003 to 2014 for preparation of creation of content and self-learning material and video lecture, and then some basic material prepared for non-availability of courses and some important courses they are going to plan. Now, from 2014 onwards, they are going for certification. This certification from IITs and IIC, they are going to certificate for different courses. From 2014 onwards, the certification process starts by 7 premier IIT in along with IIC. And our college is also the member of NIT, the NPTEL local chapter. From 2015 onwards, we are the 5th college. So the headquarters is actually IIT Madras. The NPTEL is coordinators in the IIT Madras, and he is the in charge. So our college is associated from starting onwards, from the first certification onwards. So from 2000 onwards, 2015 onwards, we are having this local chapter approval. And this is the website, swayamgovernment.in, and again the NPTEL website, course information related to NPTEL, then nptel.ac.in. If you want to register the courses, then online courses NPTEL, I will inform later. So initially they are going to concentrate the main branches, civil, computer science, electrical electronics, communication engineering, and mechanical engineering for the first phase. And then second phase, after 2014, then they are going to start along with engineering courses, some of the science and humanities, the core subject of science and humanities are included, and now they are going to certify almost so far more than 2,000 courses are having conducted by the NPTEL IIT Madras. So the vision is to provide high quality, affordable education at a large scale, to develop video lecture and course content, offer online courses, conduct the exam for certification. So the registration is free. If you are there, they are going to conduct the examination for the fees of ₹1,000, and you have to write in the exam in one center, examination center. After passing the examination, minimum pass mark 50% out of 100. So you may be awarded for the certificate. I will detail in detail afterwards. I will give the detail. So definitely this will use and adoption by colleges and universities. And what are the activities? This is the portal since 2003, certification from 2014. The current portal is swayam.government.in. For course registration, so you automatically, if you choose the NPTEL, then automatically the course registration going to online courses, nptel.ac.in. Large number of courses are there. Google is the partner for monitoring the video lectures and all the process of the continuation or taking the classes, submission of videos, and all this. For examination point of view, the exam partner is a TCS ION solution is the exam partner. They are going to finally conduct the examination for NPTEL. For all other SWAYAM courses, NTA, National Testing Agency, is the coordinator, and again TCS ION solution is the exam partner. So the exam partner for SWAYAM courses is TCS ION solution. Our college, Valliyam Engineering College, is also one of the recognized exam center for TCS ION solution. So you may be possible to write the examination in our college or any other college recognized by TCS ION, maybe in the TCS ION center at Pallavaram or at Thuraipakam. All these three centers, you may be possible to write the examination for final examination after the completion of courses. But it is an online courses. You can see the videos at any time, anywhere, or in your home. You can possible to access after the registration, after the course starts. So our college is the registration center. So far, 2,000 courses are completed. The courses, millions of enrollments are there, lakhs of exam registrations. So far, 11 lakh examination candidates have received the certificates. So this is the SWAYAM portal and the nptel.ac.in exam protected exam center. For optional for fees, e-verifiable certificate, these informations are in this picture. So what is the NPTEL impact test? So one of the largest online repositories for engineering courses, material, course material, and one of the most successful multi-institutional project in the country. So far, almost 44,000 hours of videos with English subtitles. Now the translation of in regional language also started. So the YouTube viewer is subscribers 1.6 millions of subscribers so far. So this is the NPTEL certification from 2014 onwards. Number of courses 11.8 lakh people so far certified. He is a very big certificate. This is a model. So this is a statistics. Exam enrolled candidate and then exam registered students list. So mainly the important point is the course content in the form of video lecture. After the delivery of lecture within the 1 week their time, they are going to post the assignment, and then after the assignment in this discussion, the objective type model, sometime the subjective type, subjective informations, all programming information, all this you are going to submit within the prescribed time. So they are also giving the study material by means of soft copy. They are going to some PDF copy of materials. Finally, if you want to discuss with the faculty member, that is also possible in the form of a discussion forum. If you have any doubt, you can contact the members by means of discussion forum. Now recently they are going to interact, live interactive session by the faculty member is also, faculty member means the learning, if you want to, the teacher, you interact with your course learner, course faculty by means of live interaction. So all this based on the week lectures, every week they are going to courses, 4-week courses, 8-week courses, and 12-week courses. So you can choose any courses, 4-week or 8-week and 12-week. After the completion of courses, you have to write the final examination. So video lectures released every week, online assessment, assignment given for 4-week courses means 4 assignment. And the 8-week courses means 8 assignment they are going to post. You have to submit as answers by means of objective type. Sometime maybe the programming type or programming courses. Online discussion forum is also there for NPTEL. Among the all other SWAYAM courses, they are going to respond very fast. The discussion forum is more effective for NPTEL online courses. So some of the courses are I'm going to mention here. For electronic engineering, basic electrical circuit, analog communication, all these informations are available in the NPTEL website. So you can refer NPTEL. So the list of courses every semester for a year they are going to conduct the 2 sessions. One is from January to April and another one from July to December. For this nearly 400 courses they are going to conduct. Some of the new courses, some of them are rerun courses. So all these by prepared by the different IITs. So this is the list of different subject, number of courses for each subject in this image you see, and which institute is preparing the content of the courses. Totally so far 2,469 courses they are going to prepare in the form of video courses. Some of the courses already completed courses, we are having the videos in the library. We are having the video lecture in the, if you want to access at any time. Some of the new courses, so again every year they are going to update the videos. So this is the courses so far conducted for by means of examination from 2014 onwards, from March, August to 2014 onwards. This is the list of courses, and the reason for taking the courses, most of them are skilled recruited and job oriented courses they are going to conduct. And for college students, they are going to register the examination for learning the different subject and more strengthen the foundation for faculty, explore the new domain, faculty development program, keep this continuous learning. For this, our college, our higher authorities are informed to all the faculty members to register the courses to update their knowledge, and based on the certificate you may be recognized. So in our college, almost most of the faculties are every year, every semester they may be got certification from NPTEL. More number of students also certificate from this NPTEL. So this is the pass percentage of NPTEL examination so far conducted, final examination. And last July to October 2019. For the last year, not possible to conduct examination due to this pandemic situation. All these examination is conducted. 2020 examination conducted in the month of December 2020. Now this is some in this new information from the domain. NPTEL is a domain certification. If you continuously certificate from one core area, say for example mechanical engineering, product design, manufacturing process, the energy system, like this, for continuous 3 certification, you may be awarded for another certificate, that is a domain certification based on your performance. Computer science, artificial intelligence, data science, programming, foundation of computing system. So based on this, continuously based on your performance, you may be awarded for a domain certification. This is the new thing added. This course to be completed within 3 years. So this is the time you can start registering the courses. You can do the certifications. So after passing the minimum pass mark, then you may be possible to get the domain certification. So totally now in India, more than 3,700 local chapter. Our local chapter is the 5th one. When at the time of starting the NPTEL, IIT Madras, our college is in the 5th position. The local chapter now totally 3,700 local chapters in all over the India. So these are the list of different local chapters in everywhere. More number of registration from the local chapters. So AICTE, UGC also giving the notification now recently for credit transfer. Anna University also planning for NP after the completion of certificate, how the credit is awarded. They are also planning some of the courses they are going to identify. In shortly, they are going to give the information related to credit transfer information from Anna University. Then immediately our college is also implemented for credit transfer after giving the instruction from the Anna University. So we are expecting the information related to the credit transfer from Anna University. Right. Next, what is our contribution? I am the SPOC, and every time more number of students and faculty members are started. Based on the result achievement, our principal is receiving the award in the 2017 for the best local chapter award. Our position is the 11th position among the more number of colleges in India. Our position is the 11th one. Based on this, the NPTEL coordinators are called. Our principal and vice principal, coordinators, mentors of our college is received the award. This photograph shows our principal and vice principal award related to the active local chapter because of this type of certification. Every year, starting from July to 2015, the toppers, 6 toppers, 171 certification, then 413 certification, 273 certification, large number of enrollment and certification, they may be recognized, and every year we are going to receive the award. This is the 11th position. This is in the year 2016 examination, and January we are going to receive this award. And again, this is a certificate recognized Valliyamma Engineering College for active local chapter rating AA for the best performance of the students and faculty. I also received on behalf of our college achievement rating AA award in the January to April 2007 performance. Again, our college position also listed in this. All these informations are available in the website. Just I want to show our performance, our college performance. Again, January to 2017, and for July to December 2018, best faculty performance outside our top 100 rated local chapters. Our faculty all over the India, our faculty performance is compared to other colleges. Our faculty performance is more, and also scoring more mark in more than 60% of mark. Based on this, they are going to award best faculty performance. Recently, why NPTEL contest is conducted. For this, yes, SRMVEC, madam, I from IT department, assistant professor. They are going to, madam is receiving the award for participation and the certificate of appreciation from the NPTEL. And here I am going to mention civil engineering student. This time they are going to start newly introduced in the year 2019. NPTEL is introduced discipline star. NPTEL ME civil engineering student Mr. Muthu Ganesh is received the NPTEL discipline star. Only one student received from based on this performance. 2 topper and continuous certification. Mr. Muthukanesh is received the award. And here is a topper from our college students, Shyam Sundar from Civil Engineering, Sriram from CSE, and our faculty members are received the toppers in all examination, January 2017, December, July to the toppers. And here is in every year, totally so far 59 toppers from our college from 2015 to 2019. This year they are going to conduct the examination. So in, the student of Pasupati and CSE department, Vaishnu Venkatesh, he and I are received the award. And the English, Shiba Manoth madam and Soumya madam, Saranya madam, Gandhimati madam is received the award. ECE, Subhashini madam, Brinda and Gunasekharan sir from chemistry department are also received the award from toppers award from NPTEL. So the students are received. This is the list of students. Some of the students are second time they are going to receive the award to NPTEL. So recently in 2019, last year examination, Muthukanesh the topper in 2 subjects, and MBA head of the department and faculty members are also received the award. Mr. Ragaraj from EC department and IT Saranya madam are the topper in some of the courses. So now they are going to associate with the industrial, IBM India Private Limited, NPTEL associate with all this industry oriented information also added in the NPTEL courses. Definitely you will be benefited. Now recently they are going to translate in different languages. So enrollment is free. The certification is nominal cost for 1,000 rupees. And for local chapter student, they are going to give 50% of fee waiver based on the income of parent income. If based on the registration and parent income, they are going to give the 50% waiver of the examination. Finally, the examination, how they are going to award the mark. Pass mark is 40 mark, 25% from internal, and final examination, end examination is 75%. From this 25%, you have to score minimum 10 mark for pass mark, and final end examination 75 mark minimum, 30 mark is the minimum mark. So this is a different category of the certificate: elite plus gold certificate above 90%, and elite certificate above 60%, successful completion 40 to 59. If your mark is less than 40 means not possible to receive the certificate. This is a different 4-week courses. If you submit best, they are going to take a mark of best 3 assignment out of 4 assignments submitted. So based on the course instructor, and this is the generally they are going to follow the rules. Best 6 assignment out of 8, best 8 assignment out of 12 assignment for different courses, 4-week courses, 8-week courses, 12-week courses. So this is the type of certificate. Finally, you can possible to receive the mark sheet like this, and certificates are. This is a certificate model. If you suppose if you are in the gold category, more than 90%. So this is the image of the certificate, your photo, and then mark or all these mark in this displays. Total number of candidate certificate is also mentioned in the certificate. So this is a timeline. I request all the students, you follow this timeline. I am available in the physics department. I always help to registering the examination. I will give my number and email at the end of the slide. So you follow this timeline. From January 18 onwards, the courses are starts, new courses are start. I request all the students to enroll the courses, and I will help. And in each department, they are giving the mentor, and they are also helping for how to guide and how to write and give the information related to the examination. Based on this, definitely you are going to write. This will not affect your studies. Definitely, this will give more knowledge about your subject. So, self-motivation and self-learning, how the experienced professors are taking the classes, how you are going to respond, all this information. Kindly follow this timetable or timeline, or I will help. You can call. So the knowledge is free. Anyone, anytime, anywhere. So you effectively utilize. And thank you for listening. I am Ambucharian. So my number, you have to note down my number, and this is my mail. You can contact. I will help you. Definitely for this your participation, we are going to achieve more number of rank and more number of toppers. I am expecting more from your side, and I request you all. Thank you, one and all present here. I will help at any time. So you can contact. I expect more from you. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, organizer. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, our faculty members, principal, head of the departments, and faculty members are supporting this type of examination. Thank you, one and all present here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm very sure many students are going to register for the online courses.
Yes, madam.
Shiva
May I
ma'am?
now? Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Anbucharan sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Students, we have a small information. We had a little extensive day this morning. We started quite early by 9:30. 9:45 almost. So being the first day for an extensive session, we understand that the students are having a lengthy session. Many of them are having little internet issues. So the next session was actually supposed to be a talk by Dr. Madhusudan, the controller of examination of SRMVEC Engineering College. But just because we are running short of time and we started receiving requests from many parents that being the first day students are running short of data, we just carrying over the session tomorrow, because it's a very important session equal to all the sessions that we had from morning. So the control of examiners discussion session will be held for you tomorrow morning. So we are planning to end the day. We hope all the students had a good session, and tomorrow also we will have our online session starting by 10:30. I repeat, students, tomorrow we will have our session starting by 10:30. And we request all the students to log in by 10:15, not a further delay. We will not have this extensive schedule tomorrow. It will be 3 sessions, each session of 80 minutes, and we request students to keep your data backup necessary for you to attend the sessions. And we also request all the students to be present throughout the sessions, because each and every session gives you an input of the multiple outlook of engineering and how you groom yourself as an engineer. If you had watched from this morning, all the sessions were not only about the curriculum and subjects, but it tells you about the different factors which you have to concentrate to chisel and make yourself perfect towards the goal of becoming a very successful engineer in the society. And hope we have a good day tomorrow too. So thank you one and all. Thanks to all the faculty members, professors of various departments who took over the sessions today. And thank you students for being patient and listening and being a part of all the sessions. We look forward